Okay, so this is one food business, and if you see four sheets we have, one is customer details, food items, incomes, and expenses. Okay, here we're going to convert this as a app using Appsheet. So if you see in data, you can add new table from Google Drive from this spreadsheet. So here we have four sheets. Okay. So I am adding customer, food items, incomes, expenses as a separate table. Okay. And if you have any doubts, ask me in this. And this is the data part. First, we need to import the data. This four as a separate table. Then in the UX part, we will design the UX of our app. So I have created primary views. Primary views is the views here come as a bottom, as a tabbed view. Orders view and expenses views I have created. Okay.
Mm.
So order, I have created the order view for the table income, which means like for this data, I have created a design using the UX for this income as a deck view. So we have different types of views. Okay. So deck
Okay.
view, table view, so and then gallery view like this. So each view has its own UX. So for this, its deck view is suitable, and then we can sort by, we can group by date status. So it's
Okay.
grouped by date, which means so each day entries will come for incomes. Okay, so if you click this plus add, so we will select the name of the customer and item, what item they purchase, like which food item and how much quantity. And I
Mm.
have made some calculation using the quantity for the specific. For example, if a mushroom soup and three quantity means it's automatically calculated. This
Yeah,
formula
yeah.
I have written in this data. If you see, so this is the income form. Okay, so which means income. If you see the columns, click view columns, the you can see the all the columns of this incomes here. So each header of this column name is the columns here. So we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns here. So 8 columns plus 1 will automatically generated by the row number, which means like this is the
Mm.
row number 1 2 3, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this row number will come as like additional column, and the automatic price calculation is done here in the formula. So we have the price column and the data type is price, and the formula I have written is quantity into. So these are the queries of this app sheet. So you need to learn this each query, what this query means. So if you see here,
Okay.
quantity into any select food items price item equal to this product item. So do you understand what this query means? Just try
Yeah.
to what it means. Hmm?
I should select one food item and cost of that.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, I will tell you clearly. See, quantity is the how much quantity you are selecting here
yeah,
from this
got that.
form. And this second, this is the multiplication. Asterisk is multiplied
Mm.
by select food item price. So we have food items data. So food
Yeah.
items, here we are selecting price where item equal to this row dot item. So where item is equal to this row dot item means, so we are selecting here one item. In this row, we
Mm.
selected mushroom. So it will fetch the price of the mushroom column, uh,
Yeah.
mushroom
Mm.
row. So and this any means like this formula will give the list. Okay, list of items. So any means
Okay.
like we need to select single value. Okay,
Okay.
so maybe we have the same name. For example, Maggie, Maggie, we have two different types means. So it will fetch a list with two values. So this any will select only one value, any random value. But anyway, this select will give only one row as a value,
Hmm.
and any will going to select only one row. So quantity
Adi,
margin.
what if
Mhm.
a person
Sorry,
chooses two items?
I don't get you.
What if a person chooses two items like soup and Maggie? Then how it will calculate?
Like two different items.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for this app, if the person selected two different items, we need to create
Hmm.
two different form income row. So this form allows only one type of item and quantity. Then we need to save,
Okay.
and again we need to add for that person with a different item, and we are
Okay.
grouping. So if you see this date and to deliver, so this person has ordered this, like we are grouping based on the name of the person. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it will automatically group like that. I have designed this. Okay, and then so this is the formula. This is a basic one. This is the important formula we will use a lot of places in Appsheet. So then, and this initial value for the status enum. So enum means it's like a list of values. So this status has yet to deliver and delivered. Only these two options are possible for this. Okay,
Okay.
and I have initial value, I have mentioned yet to deliver. So whenever we created a new form, the status automatically set to deliver. Okay, once we created, then if we go there, here I have created one action. If we press this, it will automatically switch the status to delivered. Okay, how this is happening is, so now we, so you understand the data part and UX part also, right? So how this and all coming, any
Yeah.
doubts in this UX part? And menu views also we have. So this is left side are the menu views. So we have created customers, we can add new customers, and we can add new food items with the respective price and all in here. So you can add new item and price and new customers. Okay, and now we go next to the advanced level for behavior. So how this deliver action works. So once we create a record, it will initially add to deliver. Once we delivered, we will press this button in the app, so it will automatically change the status to delivered. So how this function works is, like in behavior, we created one action called delivered. Okay, so what does it means is, we are giving a simple action name and for which table this action applies. Okay, so it means like for income, the initial status will be yet to deliver, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so for this incomes table, this action going to be applied. So or for this record of this table income and do this. So we have different types of actions. So we can copy this row and edit the copy. We can import a CSV file. We can open the form and edit a row, delete this row, add a new row to another table using this action. So a lot of actions are there. So currently I am using this set the values of some columns in this row. Okay, which means so this is the column status. We are going to set the value as delivered once we press this button, this action button. So I am changing the status to deliver. So based on this, if we select this, see if you see here, this one, order number, date 13/3. Okay, so this one, so this is yet to deliver, right? So if I select this one, and this synchronization will happen, it will take some time. So if you see this, it will automatically change to deliver. Okay, so this is the workflow basic action. And we have workflow also. Like workflow means we can send automatic emails, automatic messages. If you see here, so when in the income table, if we add new row, then this should action happen, like send an email, send a notification, SMS, or we can call APIs. This is like advanced thing. I will teach you later this one. Okay. So yeah, this is the basic of the app sheet. So any doubts so far you have? And we have
No, I
OCR
don't.
also. So you do know about OCR?
No, I don't know.
Machine learning kind of thing. We can, if you give an input of an image, it will automatically extract all the words and fill in the respective columns. That is an advanced one. I can show you later. Okay.